is Jalili. Example, the opping. Are you ready at any point?
Numerous. And,
What we got from yes. Rachel is important than she is. It says he...
Not too bad, but the first time my dad took me out in my car, I had like the in-betweeners, yellow, go faster, Cinquecento Sporting, and I drove it into a bush. So if you say that's a bad...
Badger.
Consonant, vowel.
E.
Vowel. Consonant.
E.
I think we need another consonant.
Consonant.
And another one. R.
What does it mean? What's the definition?
Right.
OK, John, what's your 6?
It's a very old word for a doctor.
Isn't there? OK, so at the end of that, job...
7.
Right.
6, 9, 8, 50 and 100.
Already, yeah, I hate it.
It's your only job is to put the numbers up.
Let's swap it.
No, you can't swap
That,
it.
I mean, that's easy anyway.
All right, we're pressing the button again.
Got it.
OK.
Here we go. All right.
There you go.
8.
life is sometimes. -6 is 2.
8 minus 6 is 2.
Away from the 100 is 98.
Yep.
And times by 9.
Yep. Well done. You could have done it. You could say 100 plus 50, 106 is take away the 8 and the 9.
Oh.
The break.
I.
Consonant.
T.
Consonant.
T. And N.
You're saying you got in touch with the...
You can all...
in there, presumably. OK, so at the end of the...
Unland.
There are only 4, so this is all of them, and then you get to... These ones, they're not small. I think you'll be pleased with the size of this.
What are you going to go for?
Big ones and 2.
And
all right.
2 little ones.
Right, your 2 little ones, and 9, and exactly, a Nubian. You've got 100, 75, 50, 25, and the biggest one, 849.
All right, Joe.
Times 100.
Yeah, and you haven't used either of those, so... Yeah.
That's 7 points done.
Yeah, there were a couple of ways. You could have said 8 plus 9 is 17, times 50 is 800, minus 75 is 25, over the 25 is 1 to take away. Just a bit of countdown.
Vowel.
K-I-T, he said.
Oh, vowel.
Vowel.
Bear Kate.
Any better. Is...
E. P.
Whoa there, whoa there. Vowel. Let's see how that looks before we go.
A.
But then by all...
Oh, yeah. B. C. L.
The Reaper. He reapens, doesn't he?
Pause.